Or may kilala. Can you raise your hands? Can I see? Wow. And here, may kilala, kahit kilala lang, na nakapag-start ng business. So, yun. Hindi natin iisipin na bakit ba pandemic nag-start or nag-boom or nag-rise yung social media commerce. So, here you go. Ito yung unang post namin. As you can see, iba pa yung branding na, logo namin back then. Pero as you can see kanina yung logo namin, here's my best friend, Liza. She's one of my guests right now. So she's the one who really glam up Acelet or glow up Acelet. Can you just give applause with Liza here?
Gets back? Okay, try natin na. Sige, sabay tayo, Jo. Add to cart!
Check out na.
Louder, guys. Louder. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3, go. Add to cart!
Check out na.
Yan, perfect na.
Wala ko narinig.
Uuwi na kami. Uuwi na kami.
Iabot. Dagdagan na lang natin. Nag-aahang lang yung fish cake nila doon.
Okay
Pero
lang.
Tanggap tayo?
unlimited yung drinks. 259. May cheese. Ano? Serving ng
Tanggap.
Hindi ako nagsisipin na yun sa...
One serving bawat
video to for my vlogging.
Bawat head yun.
Huwag yung awayin to, nanunusok yan.
Ay,
Tignan yung sapatos niya, palaban.
guys, sira na. Di joke lang.
Sabi nila mag-live daw po. Hindi mag-live. Post na tayo e-commerce. Benta natin salamin mo.
Ay, lala mo pa lang.
Hindi pa pwede.
Kahit hindi lang niya para makita niyo.
Hi, vlog. Vlog? Vlog? Ang bigas ng pag-pronounce vlog.